Jessup Full Makeup Brushes Set 13 PCS. Professional Vegan Foundation Powder Contour Blush Highlight Eyeshadow Blending Concealer Spoolie Eyeliner Brush. Phantom Black T300. High-performance multifunction brush with an exclusive sculpted shape for precision from every angle. This brush is a secret weapon for flawless makeup application. Blush, bronzer, foundation, and concealer are blended into the skin thanks to a slanted corner, which makes it easier to contour and control your look than ever before. 100% cruelty-free, 100% lead-free, exclusive, flexible, and fine synthetic fibers that silky soft, vegan, density, and do not shed, engineered to better hold, apply, and blend product. Durable aluminum alloy ferrules and real lightweight wooden handle used high-quality paint, 100% lead-free. Best gift for girl and woman. Wonderful black brushes set in a cardboard gift box packaging is a decent gift for beauties on any occasion, such as birthday, Valentine's Day, any anniversary, Mother's Day, Christmas Day.